The 5 books that will make you rich. They say the average millionaire reads over 50 books a year. But if you're just starting, these 5 will teach you more about money, success, and wealth than most people will ever learn in a lifetime. Let S get into the 5 books that could make you rich if you apply what? S inside. 1. Think and Grow Rich. Napoleon Hill. First published in 1937, this book has created more millionaires than any other in history. Hill interviewed over 500 of the world's wealthiest people to uncover 13 principles that lead to financial and personal success. The biggest lesson: wealth begins in the mind. Your thoughts shape your reality, and clarity of purpose is your most valuable asset. 2. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Robert Kiyosaki. This isn't just a finance book, it's a mindset shift. Kiyosaki explains the difference between how the rich and poor think about money. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out hand. The middle class often confuses the two. Learn this lesson early, and you'll stop working for money, and make money work for you. 3. The Millionaire Fastlane. M.J. DeMarco. Forget the slow road to retirement. DeMarco lays out a blueprint for creating scalable, high-impact businesses that can generate wealth in years, not decades. It's not about shortcuts. It's about choosing the right vehicle to accelerate your journey. 4. The Richest Man in Babylon. George S. Clason, told through parables set in ancient Babylon. This short book teaches timeless money laws. Pay yourself first, live below your means, invest wisely, and protect your wealth. The principles may be thousands of years old, but they've built fortunes in every era. 5. Atomic Habits. James Clear wealth is built on consistent action, and habits are the foundation. Clear shows how small, daily improvements compound into massive results over time. If you can change your habits, you can change your bank account. Reading alone won't make you rich, but reading and applying what you learn will change everything. One of these books today. Finish it this month and start putting the lessons into action immediately. If you want more wealth-building tools, strategies, and mindsets, hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone ready to rewrite their financial future. The knowledge is here. The action is up to you.